How to manipulate anyone. When someone asks you a question and you don't want to answer it, here's the manipulation technique you can use. It's called the false answer technique, and it simply involves asking yourself a question and answering it to give the impression that you've responded to the person's question. Let me give you a very simple example. Let's say I'm talking to someone and they ask me if I cheated on my girlfriend. Instead of answering yes or no, knowing that the answer would embarrass me and put me in an uncomfortable position if I did cheat, I would say to the person, if you're suggesting that I'm a cheater, I'm not a cheater. So the answer is no. In this case, there are two types of people. The first type may not realize what I'm doing and will continue talking. The second type may be suspicious, and to prevent them from realizing that I didn't actually answer their question and pointing it out, I would immediately ask them a question that diverts the conversation away from the topic. I would say something like, but wait, what are you really trying to say here? Does that mean you don't trust me in some way? So what does our friendship rely on if you don't trust me? As you can see, I divert the conversation from the main point, making them justify themselves. By repeatedly shifting the focus, I ensure the original question is forgotten. This approach helps in situations where you don't want to answer a question. Ask another question and answer it yourself. If they don't realize, continue the discussion. If they catch on, redirect with an awkward question. This technique is lethal.